Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Nadine West clothing unboxing for February. A couple different bundles in there, and they also sent me a return label in case I don't want anything. You can put it back in and mail it back. And you don't get charged for what you don't keep. You only get charged for what you decide to keep. So here's my first bundle. Let's see what this is. Cute. This is by West Coast Love. It's real pretty, like orangish color, and it's just a loose fitting tee. Very nice, and it kind of swoops at the bottom too. Cute. And as always, I will put pictures of the items at the end of the video. I have gotten some like these before, but a different color. This is from Show stretchy pants. There's some zippers there. Super soft. And a nice little plaid design. So that was bundle one. Oh, we also got a piece of jewelry in there. Almost overlooked that. So we have a pair of earrings that is gold and silver. That's cute. And that's what those look like. I'd go with pretty much anything. It's adorable. Next bundle. Is it a dress? Cute. This is by Zenana Premium. Has like a crisscross front, long sleeves, and it's just a really long dress. Oversized again too. That would look cute with leggings. And then the last bundle. I know I say this all the time, but all their clothing is really soft. This is all black, another oversized shirt with some buttons down the front, long sleeves. And the last piece looks like some dress pants. This is also by Show. So both of the pants are by them. Pockets, everything's real stretchy. Comfortable looking. Those are pretty long. Those are nice. So I will go ahead and insert all the pictures. So it looks like I only have one pair of jewelry this time. It used to be that I received a necklace, a bracelet, and earrings every time, but I think they've switched some things. I'll have to look at my profile, honestly, to see. Maybe I did and I totally forgot about it, because I do have a bad memory. But if you would like to try this subscription, I have a promo code that will get you free shipping. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.